This is about the homework from page 23, and I just wanted to go over a couple of things because I think there was a little bit of confusion about the assignment. So I'll go over a little bit about number 7 and a little bit about number 9. So number 7 says 5 plus negative 3 is, filling in the blank, 3 units from 5 in the negative direction. So what this is saying is the result of 5 plus negative 3 would be whatever is 3 units from 5 in the negative direction. So I'm going to use a number line. I'm going to start at 5. Well, really, I'm going to start at 0. So I'm going to start at 0. We're going to go to 5. It's a good start. So the first number that's listed, I'm going to draw an arrow from 0 to that number first. Then I'm going to draw another arrow that is 3 units long, but in the negative direction. So that would be 1, 2, 3. So that puts me at positive 2. So that's how I demonstrate it on a number line. I'm going to go from 0 to the first number to show how to get there, and then I'm going to draw an arrow that's the same length as the second number. So you can, now that you know that, see if you can try number 8. Then I'm going to talk about number 9. Okay, so this probably represents what everybody had at the end of class. We zipped through this beginning part, and I just want to get you set up here. So in city A, the temperature first rises 9, that's a positive 9, then drops 8, that's a negative 8, to show an overall temperature change of 1 degree in 2 hours. So in those 2 hours, it went up and then down, but eventually was only 1 degree change in those 2 hours. In city B, it would drop 5 degrees, that's negative 5, and then drop 4 degrees again, that's negative 4. So you are supposed to then try to represent that on a number line. And then the expression, that looks like 10, but that's 1 degree, I'm sorry. And then the expression would be, negative 5 plus negative 4. And I can't write it without it being really messy, but that's showing the two changes put together. And then what's the overall integer? So then you're going to write, and then finally, like, which of the two cities had a greater overall change. So in other words, whatever number you end up, which one shows a greater change. So number 9 is a little confusing because for each city, there's 2 temperature changes, and you're putting them together to make an overall change. So that's number 9. Then really quick about number 10 is that the number line is down here, and you need this information. Like right here, it says the airplane's regular flying altitude is 30,000 feet. Then it flies up to, and you have to jump all the way down here. The airplane flies at 38,000 feet to avoid the storm. So there's this sentence here. The airplane's flying altitude of 30,000 feet flies up to avoid the storm. Jump down here. It flew up to 38,000 feet to avoid the storm. Then immediately after the storm, it went back to 30,000 feet. So it's flying at 30,000 feet. It goes up to 38,000 feet. It comes back to 30,000 feet. So you're using that. I would use the number line to represent that, and then come back and answer questions A, B, and C. Honestly, just do your best. And we will go over it. Thank you.